secret to getting 360 waves is not hard. There really is no secret. It's a lot of brush work, it's a lot of hard work, it's a lot of dedication, and it's going to take a lot of patience to develop the 360 waves you want. I'm going to teach you and give you all the products and everything you need to obtain 360 waves. If you follow along, you can gain from these tips these benefits. Let's go. You are going to need a soft brush. Any soft brush works. The link for these brushes will be in the description below, do not worry. You will need a medium brush. And you will need a hard brush. Each of these brushes will serve their own purpose. The soft brush will lay down your hair right before you rag up. This will soften your pattern, this will add shine, this will smooth out your pattern, this will help better define your pattern. Your medium brush is your all-purpose around brush. This can be used on a fresh cut, used when you're just starting, used during wolfing. I'll get into wolfing in a little bit. Used during wolfing, used during all stages. This is your workhorse all around. This is gonna serve you the most purpose. And then your hard brush. Could be any hard brush. This is a curved brush by Torino Pro. The link for the description will be below. Shout out to BK. You'll need a hard brush. This is going to help you as your hair starts growing longer and you're wolfing. As your hair gets longer, you will need a harder brush that is going to help penetrate and get down to the scalp. The longer the hair, the harder the brush. Ladies and gentlemen, you will need a comb. Combs will lift the hair, combs will move your waves. May not look like it, but yeah, you can see what I'm working with anyway. And you will need a moisturizer. This is HD Waves. Shout out to HD. The link for the description will be below. You will need a moisturizer. This will enhance your hair. This will help your hair health overall. The longer you use products, your hair will adjust and adapt to that product. What I would do if you are starting is just take a hand mirror. You will just need a hand mirror. That's going to help you look in the mirror behind you, wherever you are, so that way you can see what you are doing. You always want to have a hand mirror when you are brushing your hair. A lot of people without brushing with a mirror, we call it blind brushing. That is not what you want to do. You can mess up your pattern. Always have a hand mirror. So ladies and gentlemen, if you can, try to get yourself a wave cap. A wave cap like this. This will help better lay down your pattern. I don't see anybody on YouTube with ones like these. I like this, look. Matthew 7:1, and then you flip it. Nice, y'all like that? Shout out to Royalty Headwear. I got this customized. When you are combing your waves, combing will help better define your waves and better line them up. This will help move your pattern. This will help move forks. You want to brush your hair, then comb your pattern. Simply. All of these tips and tricks have helped me come far with my 540 waves, and they can help you as well. When I get to my crown, I like to pull away from it. You know, I don't brush into my crown. I like to pull away from it. That way that swirl can, you know, better define. The more you brush, the better your pattern will become. All right, ladies and gentlemen, then after you are done with your brush session, you want to grab your do-rag as always. You always want to save the progress after your brush session. Always grab your do-rag. If you don't know how to do it, as always at the end of these videos, I will show you. You grab your do-rag, as always. Put it on your forehead. You do not need to cover all this. Bring your straps around. Don't tie that, just hold that with your finger. And then bring the other one right over and do the exact same thing. And then when you get to the back, you just want to tuck it right here. See that? There's no knot. This is the no knot method. This method was brought to the pages by Wiz, not by me. Pull down your flap, roll up your straps, and then you just tie. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you like today's video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. First and foremost, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I want to thank you all for tuning in. Let me know what you think about this video and what you want to see coming forward. Until next time, may God bless you all, and y'all stay safe.